Don't buy. Watch our video before you decide. So we'll share our own experience and you won't make any mistakes. Hope this video helps you, and let's get started.
If you're considering WeightWatchers workshops, here's my honest review after using it for about 6 months. Overall, the workshops are one of the most unique parts of WeightWatchers because they focus on accountability, community, and behavior change rather than just tracking food. It's less about the app itself and more about the structured support system that comes with regular group meetings. One of the biggest advantages is the accountability factor. Attending weekly workshops helped me stay consistent with my goals because I knew I would be checking in regularly. That simple routine made a noticeable difference in my discipline over time. Another thing I like is the group environment. Hearing other people share their progress, struggles, and strategies creates a sense of support that you don't really get from apps alone. For many people, that social aspect is what keeps them motivated long-term. The coaching element is also useful. The facilitators guide discussions around habits, food choices, and mindset, which helps you think more deeply about your behavior rather than just focusing on weight loss numbers. However, there are some downsides. The biggest one is that workshops require time commitment. You need to attend regularly to get the full benefit, and that doesn't work for everyone's schedule or lifestyle. I also noticed that the experience can vary depending on the group and the coach. Some workshops feel very engaging and supportive, while others can feel a bit generic or repetitive. Another thing to consider is that workshops are an additional layer on top of a paid subscription, so the overall cost can add up quickly. After 6 months of use, I'd say WeightWatchers workshops are best for people who need external accountability and social support to stay consistent with their health goals. The key thing to watch before using it is whether you actually benefit from group motivation, because if you prefer doing everything independently, the workshops may not add much value for you.